Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the Snowtrooper from Star Wars. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start right in the visor area first. So this is just going to be basically one really long rectangle. Okay, and then from there we're gonna draw in the helmet part. So we're gonna come out to the side right here. Just come out from the eye area. Just come out. You can make two little points here, and then just go up first. Just slant it up, and then on the top here we'll round it out, and then it's gonna be a little bit flatter in the center. And then just come around and connect the two lines. Alright, and then from there we're going to continue with this line here. So this is going to be all the way to the back of the helmet. So just come down first, and then come back up here. And whatever space you have here, just draw one little curve. Just come down a little bit straighter first, and then just curve it and close everything off. Okay, and then from there we're going to draw in the rest of the helmet. So just come back to this point here, come all the way down here. Just gonna draw one big circle. Okay, so right here, just come down to this point, make a little point, and then draw the same circle on this side. And then on the inside here, I'm gonna draw a circle closer to this edge. So make it look a little bit more three-dimensional. Okay, and then from there, right here, just draw a slant going up, connecting to the helmet. And then the center here, just draw one curve, just connect that. Okay, and then for some extra detail here, right in the center, draw one curve, and then we're gonna draw another curve, just kind of going around the circular part here. And then from this corner, just go out. So just try to make it symmetrical. I know that's always a tricky thing to do. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the helmet, and there's a back part here, but we'll have to draw in the shoulders first. So for the shoulder, just slant out, and then let's just go ahead and finish up this part. Slant in all the way down to the top of his belt right here, and we'll just close that off. And then to finish off the helmet on the back side, just one curve going back, right behind the shoulders there. Okay, and let's go ahead and add in some details right here. Just slant in, close it, come down to the center, just one rectangle. And then on the bottom here, just draw one curve, and then just go straight up. Alright, and then from here, let's go ahead and finish up the belt and the pouches here, and then we'll draw in his arm. So right in the center here, I'm just gonna draw a long rectangle. So that's gonna be the belt, and then here's the pouch. So I'm gonna extend this down, extend that line, and then just make that into a rectangle. Okay, so extend the line, going out both sides. Okay, so we're gonna make it a little bit more three-dimensional. So we're gonna start here, just draw one line, and then come down. One line across, and then come down. And then from this corner, here's the flap for the pouch, just come down and go out. Slant, and then go out. Okay, so that's his belt and pouch, and now let's draw in his arms. So here's the armpit about in the middle of this line. Here's the shoulder. Bicep. Just a little bracket, and we can actually close that off first. Okay, and then lower arm, we're gonna flare out. This one's gonna curve right around here. straight down and then close this off. Alright, and then for his fist, just come down with a little hook. Here's the back of the fist. Come down and then just hook it right underneath the thumb. Alright, so let's draw on the other side, and right here, same thing. Here's the armpit, shoulder, bracket. We'll close that off. And same thing here, we're gonna flare out, curve, and then come straight down. So use the other side for reference. Okay, and then for the thumb here, hook, back of the fist, and then dip down and then just hook it right up. Okay, so those are arms, and it's got some armor here. So right in the center of this, I'm gonna come out and just come down and then just go out. Okay, so I'm just gonna come in, curve down, and go out. Okay, so that's the upper body, and now for the legs. So it's got some clothing coming down here. We're gonna start right around here. We just flare this out. Okay, come back up here. You make two little marks, and we're gonna draw one big curve coming down here, and just connect to that point. Okay, so now we can join his legs. In the center here, come down, make a little point, and then for here, just go up first, slant it up. So his leg's gonna be behind this thing right here. So we're gonna start on the inside, come down, and then for his knee, just curve, and then just draw a little bracket like this, and then curve on the bottom. So it's kind of like a rounded rectangle. So come down, curve up, bracket, close it, and have a little space here, so I'm just gonna close that off. Okay, so those are his thighs, and then for his lower leg, just flare it out. He's got those thick boots. Just come down, curve up, and now for his shoes, we're gonna come down, just a little dome shape. Just come out a little bit more on this side, close it off, and let's add one line there for the sole. Okay, so same thing here. Curve up, and then dome shape, just use the other side for reference. Close it off, and then one line on the bottom. Alright, and if you want to add in some details here, add two lines right here. And these are smaller detail, and it's all white, so it's kind of hard to, it's a little bit harder to see. I'll draw two lines in the center. And that is it for the Snowtrooper. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.